In today's video, I'm going to show you how to stream live on Kick with OBS Studio. First, head over to kick.com and of course, make sure that you're logged into your account. Now, at the top right corner of your screen, click on your profile icon, then click on Creator Dashboard. Next, in the left menu, click on Stream URL and Key. Then next is click on the eyeball icon to reveal your stream key. You will then be asked for a code, and from here simply click on the copy button to copy your stream key. Next is head over to your OBS app, then click on settings. Then next is go to stream in the left panel, and from the service drop down menu, switch to custom. And from here simply paste the stream key that you copied from Kick earlier. Then once done, click on OK or Apply. And lastly is add in your resources by clicking on the Add button. And from here, you can add in your display capture, game capture, or camera. And when you're ready, hit the Start Streaming button in OBS. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!